Good morning everyone, hope you're well. Welcome to today's video. Grab yourself a cup of coffee, mine's a pumpkin spice latte, get comfortable and get ready for today's video. So today I thought I'd share with you some of my birthday treats. My birthday's next week, how exciting. It creeps up so quickly, doesn't it? And you just think, oh, you want to savor every moment of it, really, don't you? I've got some lovely goodies to show you, so let's crack on, shall we? First up is a gift from my love, and I've wanted these for ages. These are the Veja Campo trainers. They are leather, and then they have the black V and Veja at the back, and the laces. These are everything and anything I expected them to be. They are, like, from first wear, so comfortable. Honestly, I mean, I've got Adidas, I don't know what they're called, stands, and I've worn them 100 times, but they're so stiff, and it just like rubs my feet. But these are, oh my God, they're so comfortable. They are just absolutely gorgeous. I wore them with a dress and a leather jacket the other day for our birthday lunch, me and my mum's birthday lunch, and I just loved the way it looked. And I went onto YouTube to find out how, because you know how you get the shoe and they're not laced up, and there's always a specific way to lace shoes. So I looked up a YouTube video and figured out how to lace them so it looks rather trendy like this, but I've seen everyone wearing these, and I'm like, oh my God, I want some. You know, all the yummy mummies wearing them. So yeah, and they come in a size 2, because I've got size 2 feet. So that was, again, I was like, oh, I've got to have these, because to find shoes in my size is really hard. But I highly recommend getting these. They are just gorgeous. And if I got them from, or my partner got them from, it's called All Soul, and if you sign up, like your email, you'll get like 15% off, so that's pretty good. I'm so happy with these. I love them. Gosh, with leather leggings, jeans, you know, it's gonna be fab. Next up, from my lovely mummy, I've got this Chantecaille eyeshadow. Now, these are called Luminescent eye shades, and each one has a little animal on, and half of the proceeds go to helping wildlife. But look at this. I mean, isn't that just stunning? They have all different shades, and this is like a sort of rose gold. Look at that. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Like, I've got it over my eyeshadow today, or on its own. It's just, it's got a little mirror. It's beautifully embossed. The shades are gorgeous. Mum got one for herself. She got like a purpley shade. They are gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. So have a look on Space NK. They've got all different shades. The smoky ones look divine if you want a bit of a smoky eye, but you know I love a bit of sparkle, so absolutely adore this. Then my sister, because you know I love my Nars Laguna and it's running out, the little one, she bought me a full size. Oh my God, isn't this beautiful? This is this new packaging. I haven't seen this new packaging. Look at this. Oh, everybody asked me what bronzer I'm wearing, and it's this. I mean, I had Laguna before Laguna was, like, years, 20 years ago. And I remember thinking, I didn't know how to use bronzer then. It wasn't something I knew. So I gave it to a friend, and I never revisited it since. But then I got that little, it came in a little, I think it was in my stocking, but it's a little sample size. And again, didn't use it on my face, just used it in my eye socket. And one day I used it and I was like, okay, this is amazing. It just gives you that healthy flush. Oh God, it's just, I mean, look, I mean, I just want to eat it. It reminds me of that Bourjois chocolate bronzer. Absolutely gorgeous. The packaging, oh, isn't that luxe? Packaging is beautiful. Oh, then the last 2 things I bought for myself. I also bought something else, but I haven't received it yet. It's Sweaty Betty leggings. But these two things I bought for myself. I bought because everyone's raving about this. This is the Hourglass Unlocked Instant Extensions Mascara. I've got it on today. I've heard so many people rave about this Maz, and I'm like, I need it. And Space NK were, I don't know, they were doing some sale. So I got this for like, it's normally I think £30 or something. I got it for 23. The brush is very similar to Bad Gal Bang, but it's nice and stiff and it coats lashes beautifully, and it's got this ultra black. And the reason what sold me on this, I was watching somebody on Instagram and she was like, oh, you know, if you get watery eyes or smudgy eyes, this is perfect because it won't budge. So far, so good. Love the packaging. Yeah, ultra black, so it's really black, and that's what I like from my mascaras. Now, the last thing I bought, you know I love an autumnal fragrance, and I've been dying for this. I never even smelt it. This is Diptyque Eau Duelle. Now, this is never in Space NK to smell. I never smelt it, but when I read the synopsis, the base notes of it, vanilla, musk, frankincense, wood, it's a very woody, rich, spicy fragrance. Now, I don't think I got the thingies out, the information out for you. But anyway, there's a perfume and an eau de toilette. This is the eau de toilette because I find perfume a little bit too cloying. And I just received this today and I've put it on and I'm like, oh my God, I hope I like it, because this was £75. But I had £5 on my Indulge card, so £5 I've got it for 70. High five. It is beautiful. Now, oh, it's the vanilla, and this is how someone described it. It's not like a cheap, sickly vanilla. It's a very rich, it's like a bourbon vanilla. And it settles down like quite smoky, but the frankincense gives it that kind of oud smell, that Arabic oud, which is the frankincense. So it's very opulent, very rich, very woody, very warm. It's sweet, it's smoky. It is so gorgeous. And I'm glad I got the eau de toilette because I think I would have been passed out from the perfume because it's actually very, very rich. It is the ultimate autumn winter fragrance. This is warm, it's cozy, it's encapsulating, it's just a cashmere jumper. It just feels like a real, it's absolutely, if you like that kind of rich, sweet, grown up, heady, smoky, leathery kind of, this is what people said it reminded them of Tom Ford Tabac Vanille. So it's got that very kind of tobacco-y leather but sweet. Oh my God, I can't believe I blind bought this. Can you believe it? But I've been wanting it since last frigging year. And I was after some other perfumes, the Byredo ones that I told you about, smelt them, they're a bit too strong. And that's why, and I did have the perfume in my basket, but then I thought, let's go for the eau de toilette because, you know, and oh my God, I love it. It's like, this is so me. Anyway, that's that. Is that what all I've bought? Is that my presents? I'm sure I had something else I wanted to show you. No, I think that was it. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you're well. It's blowing a gale out there and I love it. I hope you're well. Chat to you soon. Bye.